guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. I'm glad to have you. And this is my Ipsy for March. It's my, what are they calling it now? Ipsy Extra. That's what they're calling it now. So this is my Ipsy Extra for March 2026. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts about it, come on back. Okay, when you open the box up, it looks like this. Now this is $34.99 a month, and they charge $1.99 shipping and handling. This handling charge is what they call it. And they give you a book showing you everything that's in it. And I forgot to put my glasses back on. So anyway, I had no idea what was in it this time, so I went ahead and put my makeup on, so at least I can see what's going on. Okay. Now, for that $34.99, you can also buy it, pay for it in higher increments to save money. You know, all these boxes do that. You know, if you buy ahead, it will cost you less. So, where's my book? I just saw my book. Where's my book? Oh, put the box on top of it so it wouldn't fly away. Okay, now that's the boost. I'll do the boost last. Okay, let's see what we have here. You see they have a young, beautiful woman on the front, just to make us say, hey, remember when that used to be me? Oh, they really don't. I don't know. Okay, anyway, I don't think it's actually saying what's in here this time, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to leave it here. Okay, the first thing I'm getting is 10 by 10 moisturizer, and it looks like this. Not like a good moisturizer. You know, moisture. You know, I'm 62 now, and I need all the help I can get that way. Especially with having no intestines. So this is what the product looks like. And this is the consistency. On the back of my hand. It feels nice. And it's by the In Beauty Project. That's what it looks like that way. So I just rub that on my hand just to get the feel of it, because I did put my makeup on actually for a change. I've been waiting for stuff to come. That is what's been going on. I'm sorry. I got a bunch of Temu stuff coming. I ordered a couple mystery boxes, and they made the label last Monday and have yet to send it. So, who knows? But anyway, usually they have the value on here, but I'll just put it on the screen. That way you'll, you know, at least you'll know what you're getting. And then I got, now on these you get to choose, I think it's 3 of them, and they choose the other 2. And then I chose this the Glacier Clay Mask by Celia. I like a good clay mask every now and then. To me, it gets all the impurities out, draws it to the surface. And you know, everybody's going to all these other ones, you know, for moisture and this and that. But sometimes you just, us girls with these big pores, sometimes we got to get the crap out. Maybe. There. Nope. Come on. There, I got it. Well, I got to start it anyway. Yeah, there we go. Didn't have my tongue. And that's the color of it. Consistency. Not if you can see it, but there she is. And you just rub it in, leave it on for so long, and then take it off. Rinse it off. Kind of looks like I had the kids again. The little ones. I'll just wipe it off. There we go. And then we got Bare Minerals. This is Mineralist Dewy Lip Gloss-Balm, which I used to always use Bare Minerals. I haven't for a long time. I bought the foundation, but I can't seem to find it now. I had everything from Oakland, and then it feels nice. It's very sticky. I mean, it's very slick. Don't look at my teeth, because I'm getting down to it now. Yeah, I'll put it on my, I'll do a swatch for you too, so you can kind of see, you know. And that's the color. It's a cute little basic thing to put in your purse. And I like that it isn't real bold one way or the other. I just do. Okay, now this is by Rosie Jane, and it's REMI Eau de Parfum. Eau de Parfum. And we will spray it. And this is what it looks like in the bottle. And usually when they have perfume, I usually pick it because usually it's more expensive, and I swear I can, if I start wearing a perfume, you can guarantee that if that's what I'm going to wear all the time, then you can guarantee it's going to be, they'll go out of business every time. So I just started doing this and thought, well, bless their hearts. Okay, then I also got the palette Supreme Nudes by Artist Couture. And I got this because my daughter-in-law's mom asked me to get her some makeup. She sees the kids going through them, and she said, oh, I'll pay you. I said, I don't need you to pay me. You know, I'm usually trying to find somebody, but she's an older lady, and she really doesn't, her skin is really kind of bad. So I was like, I don't even know what she would wear, you know. I guess, you know, when she goes to church or whatever, she said she hasn't been wearing it because she's almost out. And I think it's just she felt left out because the kids were getting it. But these are the colors on here. And there is a mirror there. I'm just going to lift that up in case I end up giving it to her. But let's try the formula. It's definitely pigmented. Now I'm going to try this one over top. It's definitely pigmented. Oops, got the wrong finger. That made a mess. I'm all confused. Which finger? Okay, we're going to do a light one. And we're going to put this one on top of it. Oh, that is just too dark for that. Okay. I thought I screwed it up, but I guess it didn't. We make mud over here. But those are just some of them. So I might give that to her. I might not. I do the booty boost. The beauty boost. And this time it's PERRICONE MD Cold Plasma Plus Eye. Now, is this one of my favorite ones? No. Sometimes, and I guess they used to be able to choose what they wanted, you know, but not anymore. Anyway, this is what it is. You know, eye creams that you don't really use a lot. And this is what it looks like. And it's pretty rapid absorbent, which is good for your eyes because you're going to move your eyes. So anyway, there's that. And I will put the total value of my box on the screen. All of the links to the items, the links to my link for an affiliate link, and what it is I just get credit on my account if you order from my link. So that's all it is. I just, it doesn't cost you anything, and it just has so much come to me. So anyway, is there anything? Oh, and all the links to everything I have on my face will be down there if you're interested. I don't have a whole lot on my face today. But anyway, hopefully I will be able to get my Temu haul done after this. And we'll get back on a regular schedule for a while because, you guys have been so kind to stand patiently while I'm getting all the stuff I have to get done. But it's about done. So come on back, like, subscribe. Bye. Oh, remember, old people need love too.